For today's MakeCode Minute, I want to talk about using Photon on the Circuit Playground Express to run a colored light up and down a NeoPixel strip. So you're familiar with a lot of the ways that you can run NeoPixels. Photon is sort of like the Turtle graphics language. So if we look at our MakeCode session here you can see what I'm doing. First, I'm setting up an external NeoPixel strip on pin A1. And I'm actually setting it up with 32 pixels, even though I only have 30. I need a couple buffer ones to deal with the turnaround of this graphic because of how it works. Then I'm turning all the pixels off with black. Then I am setting a photon position at 0, and that's the first pixel on the strip. And I'm setting the photon color, the pen color, to purple. Now what I do in this forever loop is I am going to repeat this 30 times. I'm going to set the pen down, move forward by 1 pixel, and then I'm pausing a small amount that I tuned. So what that's going to have the effect of is moving a pixel down the strand, but since it's photon, it actually drags a color behind it. When I get to the end, I do a little bit of gymnastics to flip the pixel around without blinking the other end, and then come back. So here I'm going to start it up, and you can see it in action. You won't see both ends of it, but there you go. You can see I've got this pixel running, and it's drawing a purple line behind it on one direction, and then it's erasing that purple line in the other direction. And you can imagine that's some code that could get pretty complex, but with the Photon code, it's pretty easy. So on my turnaround, I repeat this 29 times. I set the pen down to an eraser so it gets rid of that purple, and then I move forward, get to the other end, and flip it back around. And so that is how you can use Photon with Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode to create some cool animation on an external NeoPixel strip. And that is your MakeCode Minute.